Samsung is back at it, rolling out a powerful update that's about to transform your Galaxy A16 5G experience in the USA. Imagine unlocking fresh features, improved security, and a smoother, smarter interface, all with one seamless update. Say hello to One UI 8.0 based on Android 16, now officially available for carrier-locked Galaxy A16 5G users on all major US networks, from AT&T to T-Mobile to Cricket Wireless and US Cellular. If you haven't seen the update yet, just head over to Settings, tap Software Update, then download and install. It's that simple. Once your phone restarts, you'll be ready to explore a whole new level of productivity and personalization. One UI 8.0 dramatically improves multitasking with a brand new split-screen mode. Now you can customize the space between apps with the 90-10 split, so you get the perfect balance of work and play. Investors and finance fans, this one's for you. Keep track of your stock portfolio effortlessly with Google Finance integrated right into the Now bar. Sharing files just got faster and cleaner. The Quick Share feature now sports a full-screen design with dedicated Send and Receive tabs, making it easier than ever to transfer files with a tap. Want to express yourself? The update introduces Gemini Live for creative live streaming, smart wallpaper recommendations tailored to your style, and a dynamic lock screen clock widget that brings your home screen to life. Note takers, rejoice! Sticky notes are now part of Samsung Notes, helping you stay organized with quick reminders and ideas all in one place. Browsing feels fresh, thanks to a sleek new menu design in Samsung Internet, more intuitive, faster to navigate, and optimized for your daily needs. For students and professionals alike, the Calculator app gains a handy scientific mode, easily accessible even in portrait view. The Weather app now adds a fun, interactive character that reacts to real-time weather, bringing your forecast to life like never before. Managing your time just got smarter. Bulk editing options for alarms, calendar events, and reminders mean less hassle and more control. Automation buffs will love the expanded modes and routines. More actions, more conditions, more ways to customize your device to your lifestyle. Health matters, and Samsung Health adds powerful new features like the antioxidant index, personalized bedtime guidance, fun running challenges, and even food logging reminders to keep you on track. And for audio lovers, Galaxy Buds controls are now built directly into settings, no extra apps needed. Contacts get a makeover too, with enhanced profile cards that make connecting with friends and colleagues smoother than ever. Security isn't forgotten. The update strengthens your secure folder with improved safeguards, while Knox Matrix fortifies overall device protection. Plus, it's easier to customize what notifications show on your lock screen, giving you just the info you want when you want it. The One UI 8.0 update for the Galaxy A16 5G is more than just an upgrade. It's a smarter, safer, and more personalized way to experience your smartphone. Ready to dive in? Check for the update today and unlock the future of your device.